Thanks, guys. Currently outside right now, your window is 51 degrees. There's some light rain showers. Winds are out of the west-southwest, about 14, gusting to 20, so definitely very breezy outside right now. Now, it's pretty cold out there today. 61 was our high for today. That was at 1 a.m. this morning. Low this morning is about 50. We're still off from our normal this time of year, about 69 for the high. Look at that record set back in 1905, 90 degrees. I don't quite remember that. I'm not that old yet, guys, so don't worry about that. Now, taking a look at temperatures across our area right now. Down to our south, we see about mid-60s out there. In our area, it's right around 60 degrees. So we go up to Marquette. You can see it's about 53 degrees up there, so definitely a lot colder up there. Expand this out to a more nationwide view. As you can see, all this cold air is across the north right now. This is being generated by a couple cold fronts that just pushed through our area. There's a little bit of a secondary cold front right up to our north right now. It's going to be moving through the evening hours. But if we look off to our west, we do see a little bit of a warm front starting right about here. That's going to be hitting our area about Thursday into Friday, helping to raise our temperature just a couple degrees. But with those cold fronts that are pushing through our area right now, helping to generate a couple light rain showers across the area. So we can look at Doppler radar. You can see, again, just scattered light rain showers across the entire southeast Michigan. These are really more just a hindrance to your daily plans, just some drizzle to some misting out there, but definitely take an umbrella because you will get wet if you go outside. All these rain showers are being generated by a low pressure system that's off to our north and east right now. This is just kind of spinning there, helping to generate those showers and storms. Off to our south, we do have a little bit of a high pressure system in. This is going to be moving into our area over the next 24 to 48 hours. That's going to be helping to clear off our skies into Wednesday. But as they do that, we're going to get a little bit of a northwest wind to that. That's going to help bring in a lot more colder air from the north, lowering our temperatures by a few degrees. But for tonight, what you can expect is a low near 49 degrees under some light rain showers. Winds out of the west at 20, gusting to 35. So definitely windy out there. For tomorrow, what you can expect is a high near 60 degrees. Some early showers ending by about noon, staying cloudy the rest of the day. Winds out of the northwest at 20, gusting to 30, so still very windy. Let's take a look at over the next 5 days. What you can expect is on Wednesday and Thursday, we do start to clear off a little bit, but then that warm front moves through on Friday, giving us high as 64. But we do expect those rain showers to turn Friday evening and into Saturday, making a chance for some rain on game day. That's it from here at the Weather Wall. Send it back over to the news desk. Thanks, guys. Currently outside your window right now, it is 38 degrees. There's some partly cloudy skies. Winds are out of the south about 5 miles per hour. Take a look at our highs for today. It was about 52 out there for today. 60 was our normal for this time of year, so well below that. But look at that low, 24 degrees. That's 1 degree off from our record set back in 1976 of 23 degrees. So it's definitely very cold out there this morning. Take a look at temperatures around the area right now. It was 52 over in Detroit for today, 51 up in Traverse City, and about 56 down in South Bend. So it's a little bit warmer as you go off to the west. That's due to this little bit of warm air off to the west right now. As we take a look at our national view, you can see all that nice warm air sitting off over the central part of the country right now. This is all being generated from the Gulf of Mexico up into this region, but I'll tell you a little bit more about that later as this starts to push into our area. But looking ahead to our radar image right now, there's really not much to talk about. It's pretty dry across most of the country. There's just a little bit of rain showers up in the New England states. That was causing a little bit of problems for those Yankees-Angels baseball games the other night. And it also gave about 2 to 3 inches in central Pennsylvania. So it's a little bit early for snow in October, but luckily it's not in our area. Looking ahead to our satellite image right now, you can see there's some light cloud cover over the area. Nothing too much to worry about. It's not really going to block the sun out too much. Just a, couple stray clouds out there. But as we look to our south and east right now, you can see there's this high pressure system dominating. That's giving us all that clear air out there. This is slowly going to be pushing off to the south and east over the next 24 hours. As it does that, the winds are going to shift to the south and west. It's going to help to bring up all that nice warm air from the Gulf of Mexico, helping to raise our temperatures to well above normal for this time of year. But for tonight, what we can expect is a low near 30 degrees, so very chilly out there. Under partly cloudy skies, winds out of the south about 5 miles per hour still. For tomorrow, what you can expect is high near 58, so right about normal for this time of year. Under mostly sunny skies, winds out of the southwest gusting to 25, so a little breezy. But taking a look ahead over the next 5 days, you can see a nice warm up throughout the week. Look at that on Thursday, 64 degrees for our high, well above normal. But then late Thursday and into Friday, we do expect another system to move through that's going to lower our temperatures a bit and give us a chance for rain into Friday and Saturday. So it might be just the start of a wet weekend out there. That's it from here at the Weather Wall. Send it back over to the news desk.